Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to center stand your Activa. First, make sure your scooter is on a flat, stable surface to prevent any accidental rolling. Position yourself on the left side of the Activa, facing the front. Take a firm grip on the left handlebar with your left hand and the rear grab rail with your right hand. This initial setup is crucial for stability and leverage as you prepare to engage the center stand. Now, place your right foot firmly on the center stand lever, ensuring good contact. Apply steady downward pressure with your foot while simultaneously pulling upwards on the grab rail and handlebar. Use your body weight to assist in this motion. Lean back slightly as you push down and pull up. This coordinated effort will help lift the scooter onto its stand smoothly and efficiently. Once the Activa is on its center stand, ensure both feet of the stand are firmly touching the ground. Give the scooter a gentle nudge to confirm it is stable and not wobbling. If it feels unbalanced, you can slightly adjust its position by gently rocking it until it settles securely. A properly engaged center stand provides excellent stability for parking or maintenance tasks. For an easier experience, practice the motion a few times to build your confidence and muscle memory. Always keep the scooter upright, avoiding any lean on the side stand, as this makes it harder to lift. Maintain a firm, consistent grip on both the handlebar and the rear grab rail throughout the entire process. With a little practice, you will be able to center stand your Activa effortlessly every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.